Tired of clocking in, clocking out, and feeling like your life's on a hamster wheel? What if I told you there's a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind and build real online income without working yourself into the ground? Welcome to Zero Office Life, where we're all about working smart, not hard. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes and I'll show you the laziest way to make money online in 2025. Ready to change your life? Let's go. First, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. What's the one thing about your 9-to-5 that makes you want to scream? I read every comment and it keeps this channel alive. Now, let's get real. There's no magic get-rich-quick button. Anyone promising you millions overnight is probably selling you a $2,000 course that doesn't work. But here's the truth, you can make money faster and easier by choosing the right path. As the great Warren Buffett said, it's not about how hard you row, it's about what boat you're in. Pick the wrong boat and you're fighting the current. Pick the right one and you're sailing to freedom. Let me take you back to 2018. I was stuck in a dead-end job, working 55 hours a week, barely seeing daylight. I felt like my soul was being sucked dry. So I started experimenting with online businesses, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, even a wild attempt at a software app. Spoiler, most of them were a nightmare. I sank $2,500 into a dropshipping store that sold exactly 0 fidget spinners. Yeah, brutal. But one business model changed everything for me, and it's what I'm sharing with you today. Curious what it is? Hang on, we're getting there. Here's the deal. Not all online businesses are equal. Some demand huge cash, endless hours, or a computer science degree. Others, they're like finding a secret shortcut through traffic. To find the laziest, aka smartest way to make money, we're comparing 5 business models using 5 factors: upfront capital, scalability, fulfillment, risk, and difficulty. My mission? Help you find a low-effort, high-reward path that fits your life whether you're a beginner or just done with the cubicle life. First up, dropshipping. Sounds easy, right? Find a trendy product, list it online, and let someone else ship it. Chaotic. Upfront capital, you're looking at $2,000 to $5,000 just to test products with ads. Scalability, you're always chasing the next fad, closing dead stores, and starting over. Fulfillment, you're at the mercy of suppliers. I once had a customer email me daily because their order was stuck in customs for a month. Risk, through the roof. New tariffs like the ones announced last week can tank your business overnight. Difficulty, it's a grind. Competition's fierce and it can take a year to turn a profit. Dropshipping's not the lazy path we want. Next, social media marketing agencies, or SMMA. You offer services like running ads or managing Instagram for businesses. I started one in 2019 and made $12,000 in my first 90 days. Pretty sweet for a side hustle. Upfront capital, just $50 to $200 for a laptop and basic tools. Risk, super low, no big investments needed. But scalability, not great. Every new client means more work, more emails, more stress. Fulfillment, you can outsource, but managing clients and contractors is like juggling flaming torches. Difficulty, moderate, you need sales and outreach skills, and competition's growing. SMMA is great for a $10,000 a month lifestyle business, but it's not lazy, it's hands-on. Software? Oh boy. Everyone dreams of building the next big app. Billionaires like Elon Musk make it look sexy, but it's a beast. Upfront capital, at least $250,000 for a decent product, plus a fat marketing budget. Scalability? Amazing if you make it. Fulfillment? A nightmare. Building software takes years and then you're fixing bugs forever. Risk? Insane. Most startups crash and burn. Difficulty? Off the charts. You need coding skills and a team of expensive developers. I tried this once. 18 months and $150,000 later, I was nowhere. Software's not for beginners. Now, affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission. I made $87 in my first week promoting a budgeting app. Not life-changing, but it felt good. Upfront capital, $100 to $200 for content tools like Canva. Risk, basically 0. No inventory or big bets. Fulfillment, easy, since the brand handles delivery. But scalability and difficulty, moderate. You need to build an audience with blogs or social media, and that takes months. Here's a stat. Only 12% of affiliate marketers earn over $1,000 a month. It's low risk, but it's not passive. You're grinding for that audience. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The laziest business model in 2025 is digital products 2.0. Let me break it down. Digital products are things like online courses or guides that solve a problem, like how to organize your life in 10 days or master freelancing fast. I sold my first digital product in 2020, a $49 guide on side hustles, and made $9,500 that month. Back then, it took months to create, but in 2025, AI has turned this into a cheat code. Here's why Digital Products 2.0 wins. Upfront capital, just $100 to $200 for tools like Canva and Loom. Platforms like WAP let you host and sell for free, no coding needed. Scalability, insane. Create a product once, sell it thousands of times. I know someone who sold a $99 course 1,500 times last year. That's $148,500 with zero extra work. Fulfillment? Stupid easy. AI tool like Sync's AI can research, outline, and script your course in minutes. You just record yourself reading it. No face required. Risk? Practically nothing. You're not betting thousands, and you can test products fast. Difficulty? Low. The industry's still young, competition's minimal. A recent report says the digital product market will hit $1 trillion by 2030. Get in now and you're riding the wave. Imagine this. You spend a weekend creating a $49 course on something you know, maybe it's meal prepping or basic photography. You list it on WAP and in a month you sell 100 copies. That's $4,900 for maybe 12 hours of work. Compare that to dropshipping where you're stressing over shipments or SMMA where you're babysitting clients. Digital products are the boat you want to be in. Here's a crazy stat. 40% of Americans now have a side hustle, and digital products are the fastest growing category. Why? Low effort, big payoff. As entrepreneur Gary Vee says, don't work for money, make money work for you. You don't need to be an expert, just know a bit more than your audience. I was nervous launching my first product. What if it flopped? But the real risk is staying stuck in a job you hate. So what's your next step? First, subscribe to Zero Office Life for weekly tips to ditch the 9-to-5. Second, comment below what's one skill you could turn into a digital product. Maybe it's gardening, coding, or even decluttering. I'm reading everyone, so share your ideas. Third, check out platforms like WAP and AI tools like Synthesize AI. You could be selling your first product by next week. Freedom is the new rich. You can stay chained to your desk or you can take the lazy, smart path to a life you love. The choice is yours. Keep pushing, keep dreaming, and as always, work smart, live free. I'm rooting for you.